Please share my YouTube video on your
Yes.
site. Yes,
Hi,
yes.
everyone.
Okay.
Thank
My
you.
name is Taichi. Thank you. Very good opportunity. But sorry, I cannot join to SOTM Asia, Cox Bazar. So because I'm moving to Brazil for the Hosoji Global Conference in Belém. So anyway, today I would like to share about our idea and product. So the name is UNVT Portable, like this. This is a Raspberry Pi device, and so how to use this device for mapping. So I can share slide. Okay. Yes. So we are making offline web map server based on Raspberry Pi. That name is UNVT Portable. So and already we are implementing few years, and today I would like to share about the recent situation, UNVT Portable 2024. And so my name is Taichi, and my SNS account is a Map Concierge. If you find my face or account, so please follow me. And my main works is I'm working at the Aoyama Gakuin University in Tokyo. And many times I'm teaching about how to make the data map data based on OpenStreetMap, and how to use data with open source tools. And so another thing, so now this year, next year, I'm working as a visiting professor at the Politecnico di Milano in Italy now. So anyway, yeah, I'm collaborating with many universities and geospatial community too. So today is my talk related to OpenStreetMap, HOT, and the United Nations, and DroneBird. So just one thing. So about me. So this year, UN Mappers chose the Mapper of the Month, August. So and now we are gathering with not only students, so but also so we are the UN side and the other geospatial community. We can make more better data map data, mainly OpenStreetMap. And yes, my experience is I'm mapper since 2008, and already I mapped over 70 countries like this. And many times I'm using our own drone, and I can get the imagery, and we can calculate the 3D point cloud data. And so sometimes we can make 3D model data like this. So this is a Mapbox next new version. V3, and so we shared, and so Mapbox made a very good hyper detailed our campus 3D dimensional data. So and we shared some reference data. Anyway, so now we can make own data. Of course, OpenStreetMap too, drone too, and we can combine for some purposes. And today is my talk, so very short time. So I divided some information like this. So already I shared about me, and so I'm working with UN side, the organization, and the working project name is UN OpenJS Initiative, and mainly we are doing as a working group 7. And so UN has many department and institute, and so now we are collaborating as a kind of initiative. So UN OpenJS Initiative, and UN has a lot of types of works, and so many works related to map data and geospatial information technology, and UN OpenJS Initiative can provide advanced technology, a new idea, new data. So we can connect and we can provide those mainly open data and open source tools. And so if you have interest, you can join to the UN OpenJS initiative on GitHub. So many times we shared about the idea and data tools, and mainly open source. And the past OpenJS initiative, so some domain working group, so the initiative divided some domain working groups, and the first step, first version, so our activity related to the working group 7. So the short name is UNVT. UNVT means the United Nations Vector Tile Toolkit. So we are combining mainly the core technologies, vector tile technology based on the open source tool. And so, if you don't know the tile, so tile is very important. So the recent web mapping system working on the tiling system. So the imagery is a very important, easy. So for that understanding. So if you have the huge size of image data like the JPEG file, PNG file, or TIFF file, so satellite imagery or drone can get. And but so big data is so sometimes very slow, and the data transfer is not so good. But tile is a kind of pyramid structure, so that system can divide the zoom level, and so that especially so tiling system can split each tiles, and that's zoom level. So just one tile for that whole global on the Earth. So and if you want to zoom in, so the tiling data provided the 2x2 or more many number of tile data set for that high resolution. Anyway, so we can recently we can use raster tiles data, and now we are moving to vector tile too. So that depending on each zoom level. Anyway, so the tiling system is already, I think, very famous and very general standard protocol. And you can check some tools. And vector tile specification, open standard data format and protocol is a Mapbox vector tiles specification is very popular now. And actually, in this year, OpenSMAP Foundation so provided official OpenSMAP vector data. So I confirmed, and already testing site is open. So yeah, congratulations, OpenSMAP official vector tile hosting begins this year. So let's back to our works. So even OpenJS initiative, latest data working group, domain working group. So our activity related working group 7, the short name is Smart Maps, included UNVT. So we changed, we combined another technology, not only vector tile. Anyway, core technology is the vector tile technology. And anyway, so if you have interest, so of course we are sharing a lot of information on the GitHub too. And so today I have to explain about the UNVT Portable. So based on Raspberry Pi, so that project related as defined as objective 3. And yes, before joining. And so what is UNVT Portable? So main contributor is me and Shogo Hirasawa. So he was my student, and so UNVT Portable can provide mainly a data hosting service based on Raspberry Pi, and UNVT. So UNVT means UN OpenJS initiative shared that advanced vector tile technology, and so that technology is supported by a lot of FOSS4G components, open source components. And we are providing the importing technology, producing, data making process, styling, hosting, storytelling, and optimizing. Anyway, so we dividing and we shared, we defined those. That tool is very useful for this activity or process. So, and UNVT Portable, we are targeting only hosting. So UNVT Portable can work as a offline situation without internet. That is very important. So purpose is, if natural disaster happened, so the situation is a crisis mapping situation. So if disaster happened, so immediately we can get the drones imagery, and then so we can share the data on the local people. So and the end user can use own web browser, but that situation is available in offline situation because UNVT portable device can become the local Wi-Fi network, and that is a mapping server, web map server. And of course, we can add the raster tile data, vector tile data into the UNVT portable device. And until last year, so we combined the web server as Apache web server, and we customized that hot Wi-Fi and network tools, and we combined the map library from the hosting. But sometimes, so Raspberry Pi OS is updated now. And this year, so we changed the web Nginx as a web hosting server, and network managing system is a default setting as the name is network manager, very popular name. And of course, map library we are using. And so our Raspberry Pi's use case is very easy. So if someone want to connect to our device, so just the QR code, and user can access via the local Wi-Fi. And after that, another QR code we can provide. And so user can access to our web map data with drone imagery or something. So, and yeah, this is a sample. So sorry, I cannot bring our device in the real venue. So, but anyway, so if you use our UNVT portable, so you can access as a local Wi-Fi, and you can open the map library with drone imagery and vector tile data. So anyway, so if you want to try, you can use and you can set the UNVT portable. So we shared the install manual and tools on GitHub, and please join to our GitHub. And I have just 1 minute. So I want to share about our use case as a drone pad. So, and yeah, sometimes Asian countries have the natural disaster. So if natural disaster happened, so we can use a drone. So, and so, but drone's imagery is many times that data is a few gigabyte or 10 gigabyte of very big data. So, and also, if we want to provide our data from internet, so sometimes, so we get the data, and after that we published on the net. But yeah, in Japan, so sometimes that power infrastructure and the internet connection destroyed by the earthquake or tsunami or something. So, and actually, so 2019 big typhoon attack to Japan. So this is a real photo from the disaster affected area. So there is no signal, so that is no power situation. We provided the data for the municipality side, but so yeah, the KML is better or something. So, but so Raspberry Pi is just one answer. So without internet, we can provide using by the local Wi-Fi. Yes. So easy access for everyone. Yeah. If you have interest, so please join to our GitHub repository. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay. That's okay. Bye, everyone.